everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support, all the messages. You guys are so amazing. As a lot of you know, I just worked with an amazing company, Lenny and Larry's Proteincookies. If you guys have never heard of them, this product is amazing. We are vegan, non-dairy, there are no artificial sugars, it is high protein and high fiber cookies. We do have a crunchy line that we just came out with, and as a lot of you know, we have the soft cookie. We have flavors in the crunchy like double chocolate chip, cinnamon sugar, and other flavors. We also have toasted coconut. If you are more of a soft cookie person, we have flavors like the chocolate chip peanut butter, the snickerdoodle, which is one of my favorites, the double chocolate chip. Of course, we have the birthday cake, and there are a variety of other flavors. So if you are vegan, if you have sweet tooth cravings, or if you are just looking for a better alternative to the cookie, go ahead and try Lenny and Larry's. As always, thank you guys again so much. All the love, all the support, it is so appreciated and beyond amazing. Go ahead and follow my Instagram at littlefit, PHIT_nurse. My Snapchat fit, PHIT_nurse25. I hope you guys are all having an amazing Monday, and I look forward to working with you guys soon. Have a good day.